You asked, how to divide 4,472 by 9 using the long division method. 4 is too small. Use 44. 44 divided by 9 equals 4. 4 times 9 equals 36. 44 minus 36 equals 8. Bring down 7, making 87. 87 divided by 9 equals 9. 9 times 9 equals 81. 87 minus 81 equals 6. Bring down 2, making 62. 62 divided by 9 equals 6. 6 times 9 equals 54. 62 minus 54 equals 8. The remainder is 8. The final result is 496 remainder 8.